So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I am Mesh from TechMesh and today I am going to show you that how you can fix this problem. This site cannot be reached. So here you can see that I am connected to my internet. It is saying connected, but the particular error is DNS probe finished bad config. So here you can see this error DNS probe finished bad config, and in this video I will show you that how you can fix this problem. So let me minimize it. So right click on your internet here and then click on open network and internet settings. Just click on change adapter options. If you are connected to Ethernet, then just right click on your Ethernet, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then just right click on it. So here you can see multiple options, so just click on properties and here click on internet protocol version 4 IPv4 and then click on properties. If the IP address is selected to obtain automatically, so here we mainly need to change the DNS address server with Google's DNS server. So for the preferred DNS server, put 8888. So in the alternate DNS server, you should put 8844. So I will put the preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server in the description as well. So this is Google's option, and then click on validate and then click on OK. Let me show you if my internet is working or not. So now if I just search for TechMesh here, you can see that my internet is perfectly working and the DNS problem is completely fixed. So this is a quick video on how you can fix this particular DNS problem. So if this helped you, don't forget to give it a like and let me know in the comment section below, and let others know in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.